Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's mark@georgetoon.com. I'm back with another video. Well, it's unboxing time, and this is something that is essential for your traditional wet shave. This is something I've come back to, and I'm doing it every single day now. I did use this item when I first started out, kind of got away from it a little bit. I'm back to using it because it really is beneficial. So let's open this up and take a look at it together. Show you exactly what it is. Okay, got some packing in there, so we're going to pull this out, and there it is. Got to be careful opening this up. Okay, so what we have here are 3 alum blocks by Osma. This is the Osma Alum block, made in France. 3 of these were $19. They're about $6.50 individually, $11 for a 2-pack, I believe. I got this via Amazon Prime, so I got free shipping on it. So it was $19 for 3 of these. Really, really nice deal. Now let me show you what this looks like, because you really want one of these for your post-shave routine. Okay, so it looks like this. It is a solid piece of alum. Now their manufacturing process cuts this from a larger block, and then they machine it down and sand it smooth, and it's solid through and through. Other alum blocks that are a little more cheaply priced, that come from Asia and the Pacific Rim and that sort of thing, are manufactured through a molding process. They take powdered alum or loose alum material of some sort, and then they compress it together in a mold to form the block. The thing is over time, that will break down and dissolve and actually crumble. At least some of the reviews I've seen online talk about the alum block crumbling over time, 6 months, less than a year, something like that. But this is solid through and through, which is nice. This should last you at least a year with daily use, if not longer, because it's very well made. Now I have a link to a video that Osma sent me that shows their manufacturing process in making these blocks. And it really is remarkable and gives you a lot of insight into the manufacturing process. I recommend Osma. Osma is the one you want. Made in France, cut from a larger alum block, and it's solid again, through and through. Really, really very, very well made. Now the way you use this is after you're shaved and you've toweled off your face, you run this under cold tap water, and then you rub it all over your face, and it really alleviates irritation. It prevents razor burn. It heals small nicks. It has an astringent and antiseptic quality to it. It's a natural mineral. It really is something that you should use in your post-shave routine, and I've gone back to using it after every shave, and it's paying big, big dividends for me. So check it out, Osma Alum block. I'll have links for it below so you can get one. This is what you want, Osma, right there. It really is the best alum block on the market, in my humble opinion. All right, hey, thanks very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Comment below, let me know. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog, for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.